All right, so you guys are going to be doing this multiplication escape. I just wanted to make sure you guys understood and go over any things that you might have questions with, like how to answer the problems. So first of all, I'd like to remind you to show your work on your piece of paper because you will be inserting a photo of your work. So make sure you do your work on a piece of paper. All right, so here we have, it says solve each problem and then use the decoder to find the code. So I would like to remind you that the code is not going to spell a word. It's just going to be random letters. So make sure that you're choosing the correct letters. So let's try this. Start, for example, 8 times 200. I'm going to do 8 times 200. These ones are super easy because we just use what I call the zeros trick. I take my numbers, ignore the zeros, 8 times 2, which is 16, and then I add my zeros. However many zeros I have in the problem is how many zeros I put on the end. So here I have 2 zeros, so my answer would be 1,600, which is J. So then I would scroll down, and for 1, I would put J. Okay, so let's try that again. Let's do this next one, 40 times 30. I'm going to do 40 times 30. I'm going to use my zeros trick again. So I'm going to do 4 times 3, which is 12. And I have a 1 0 and 2 zeros. 2 zeros. My answer would be 1,200. So 1,200 is H. So I know the next one is H. So I'm going to go 2 and I'm going to go over to H and I'm going to select H. Let's do one more example. Let's do 5. Let's do number 5. 5 is 20 times 900. 20 times 900. Okay, so I'm going to start with my numbers. Ignore the zeros. 2 times 9 is 18, and then I'm going to count my zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. My comma goes there. 18,000, which is A. So I know 5 is A. Make sure that you complete 3 and 4. Okay, and then you'll go through each of these and do the math. Make sure that you're answering the questions and putting in the right code. And I hope you guys do well. If you have questions, please use the office hours. You can connect with a teacher from 10 to noon, Monday through Friday. Use the code, the Google Meet code in the 5th grade family classroom banner. Thanks.